Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a graph animation in CapCut. It's very simple and you can create it in just a few minutes. Let's get started step by step. First, you need to add a default text. I have set the duration of the text to 5 seconds. Now let's see how to create the graph line. It's very simple. Just hold the Shift key and press the dash key. Next, enable the glow option. I have selected one of the free glow effects. Reduce the intensity value. I have set it to 40. Increase the range value. I have set it to 60. Now, rotate the line. I have set the rotation value to -60. Position the line as shown. Next, create a duplicate copy of the text and place it on the video track above. Select the duplicate copy and change the rotation value to 60. Position the second line exactly as shown. By following the same procedure, create more lines, rotate them, and place them accordingly. Select all the lines and create a compound clip. Go to the mask section. Add the split mask. Rotate the mask. Increase the feather value. I have set it to 30. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Change the mask position to hide the lines completely. At this point, add the first keyframe to the mask settings. Move the playhead to the 1 second mark. Change the mask position to reveal the first line. Now move the playhead to the 2 second mark. Change the mask position to reveal the second line. Next, move the playhead to the 4 second mark. Change the mask position to reveal the third line. Finally, move the playhead to the end of the clip. Change the mask position to reveal the remaining hidden lines. And that's how you can create a graph line animation using CapCut. Now, let's try creating a curved graph line. Again, add a default text. Create a line using Shift plus dash. I have created a line using 5 dash characters. Apply the same glow effect as before. Now, make the line curved. You can adjust the curve by changing the strength value. Place the line in your preferred position. Rotate the line. Create a duplicate copy of the line. Rotate it and position it exactly as shown. Select both lines and create a compound clip. Go to the mask section. Add the split mask. Rotate the mask. Increase the feather value. Keep the playhead at the starting point. Rotate the mask, then reposition it to hide the lines completely. At this point, add a keyframe to the mask settings. Move the playhead forward and place it at the end of the clip. Change the mask position to reveal the lines completely. That's it. Your curved graph animated line is now ready. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.